Hi guys, just wanted to take a quick minute to show you a new product I got for the truck. Well, I've actually probably got two new products since you've seen this. I got the Retrax XR bed cover, which has the T-slot rails. And then I ordered these bed bars from Uptop Overland. And so they go right in the T-slot rails there, and they're adjustable front to back. But what's unique about these are they're also adjustable side to side. So these would fit a short bed truck like an F-150. You could also use these on a Super Duty, anything like that. So different from other manufacturers, when you buy like, their bars, they work for that particular truck. These will actually work across multiple trucks. I got these to carry a cargo carrier. And so I'm going to mount that up. We're going on a trip here in a few days. And so going to put some luggage and stuff in there. But these will support like, I don't know, 700 pounds or something like that. So they'll carry a rooftop tent, tons of stuff. This is about a 4-inch rise. And so the only thing I'm not a big fan of is that when you roll the retracts up, this right here, the handle does hit that. And you kind of have to push it down and then push it under. It's not a big deal, but it's just kind of a little bit of a hassle, I guess. These are very sturdy. They came in lots of pieces, lots of screws. You have to assemble all this yourself, but that does make it easier to ship. Tons of mounting points in here, so you can mount any kind of accessories that you wanted to put on there. I think these are going to work out really well. And the main thing I liked about having it on the retract system is when I'm not using it, I can take them off. They do make these in non-retrax mounts, and basically they just mount to your bed rails right there. But the build quality on these is great. I had to purchase these, so not sponsored or anything like that. Just wanted to show you these. If you're looking for some bed bars, these are very sturdy. They don't, and they're not even bolted down. I haven't even screwed them in, but they don't bend, they don't give. So just a nice set of bars, well made, and an American company. I want to get the cargo carrier on here and show you what that looks like. But this thing, my cargo carrier is big, and so it's probably going to take up a lot of the bed. All right, guys, so we got the cargo carrier on. I kind of put it to the side. I ended up putting it to the passenger side. This does open from both sides. There's a handle there. But if you put it in the middle, you really can't access the cargo from either side. So it works out better putting it to one side. I put to the passenger. So I still have quite a bit of room up here. They do make like some more narrow cargo carriers that could probably fit right there. I don't have one and don't think I need one for this trip. But if you kind of want to see how that fits, this is a Yakima Skybox 16. And so it's pretty much the size of the bed there, a little bit bigger than the bed actually. But that's going to work out great. It's going to free up some bed space to put some luggage in. Because my garage is dirty, I got a project going on here. I got this fridge the other day that we're going to put in the back. So that's going to take up a lot of the room, but this is a super cool fridge. Dual zone. You have freezer on one side, fridge on the other. So anyway, there it is, guys. That's a Yakima Skybox 16 on the Uptop Overland Bed Bars on the Retrax Pro XR bed cover. So a lot of different things going on there, but I think this is going to be a good setup. I'll let you know if I have any issues on our trip. All right, guys, stay tuned. More stuff to come on the truck.